So I'm in the sky of ajhq's den. What the heck? It's ajhq's den. They're online. Look. Oh my god. And what? I can decorate their den? I can decorate ajhq's den. It's saying that it's my den and I can decorate. I came in from the cloud. Why am I in the clouds? I'm in the clouds and I can decorate ajhq's den. What the? Look! Look at the chairs out there. I can take their map. I can put it out there. What the heck? I can't believe that. What is going on? Oh my goodness, I'm decorating. Can I add my stuff into their den? I can add my stuff into their den. Oh look, I can put my masterpiece in ajhq's den. Which is... that. It's awesome. Look! I like decorating AJ's den! This is ajhq's den. Look, I'll go to the name. Where's the name gone? Oh. Okay, look, when I click this out. Right here. Right here. Up here. ajhq's den. That is just so crazy. It's just loading like crazy now. Look, my masterpiece is in ajhq's den. I'm not on their account, obviously, because I'm on mine. It glitched. I came in the den through the clouds, which has happened a few times. And oh my gosh. I want it to unglitch, so I can go to my den. Oh no, I can't go to my den. I clicked this before, and it wouldn't take me to my den, so I don't know how to get to my den. How do I get to my den? Let's just wait till this stops. I'm just gonna wait till this stops loading. Okay, so, I came through clouds, and I came through the clouds. My buddy's asking me how I got up there. Okay, I'm gonna go to Jamar. No, I'm gonna go to a quiet place like the beach. Let's see if it takes the den items there, because sometimes it does. No, it didn't. Okay, now I'll go to my den. Oh, see? Now all ajhq's items are in my den. Or somebody's dens are in my den. So, I don't know whose den is in my den now, because I didn't see what the rest of AJ's den looked like. Let's see if... what else is in my den? Okay, this is not mine. Half's mine, half's not. I do not own a wall calendar. Do not own a wall calendar. Oh, yep. That was just the stuff I moved in AJ's den. Look, the couch that I just moved. And the table, and the wave couch. Okay, so now I've got ajhq's den in my den. That is crazy. Ah! What? Let me go back to... show you how I got there actually. I'm gonna go down back to here. Back here. Go back to the den. See if I come back through the clouds again. No, I didn't. See? And the items are there. That was just in my den. Right? I doubt my masterpiece will still be in here now. I think, yeah. And there's the wall calendar. And my masterpiece is gone that I decorated before. Oh my gosh, now let's go back to mine. See if it's still there. Ah, it's fixed now. It's fixed now. That's better. It's fixed now. Okay. Okay, so all fixed now. All of it's fixed. All fixed. And I guess AJ's on because of the update tomorrow. Probably filming a preview to be ready for that. Okay. Well, that was a weird little glitch. Let's go and see if it's all fixed everywhere else. Yep, all fixed. Okay. Well, that's it. Ciao.